The Diocese of Sioux City is continuing to adapt its COVID-19 protocols by making some big updates to them, which will take place this weekend.
So we've just implemented that we are not going to space every other pew because of what we've seen in the data, of course with a mandatory mask and still social distancing in between. We felt that that was safe for our parishioners and our faithful.
The pews were originally spaced out to every 2 pews closed and 1 pew open, meaning the churches were only 1/3 full with social distancing in place.
Well, what it allows for is more seats available, easier seating of the people that are coming back. And all of our parishes are experiencing bit by bit families and individuals feeling more confident in returning to church.
The other big update the diocese made is moving the communion part of the Catholic Masses.
Based on monitoring information, we are now returning communion to the normal time of the liturgy, which is following the Eucharistic prayer and the Lord's Prayer, but prior to the final blessing.
The communion part of the Mass was temporarily placed at the end so folks could receive the Eucharist and leave the church to limit people walking by one another. The Diocese COVID Task Force, which was created in March, looks at the scientific data multiple times a day from the Iowa Department of Public Health, Johns Hopkins University, and the CDC. The Diocese of Sioux City doesn't want the Catholic Masses to be places where COVID is spread to others.
For those who have conditions, you don't always know. And so that's where, if we do like the mask and the sanitizing, washing your hands frequently, and then we're just taking care of each other.
Folks have been able to go back to attending masses at the discretion of their pastors since the end of June of this summer. Reporting in Sioux City, Iowa, Riley Mahon, KCAU 9 Digital.